Fern's Show Home. Ayan, main kitchen. At there you go, napakaganda. Sa baba pa. So 5 rooms. 2,300 to. Close to 2,400 na nga. 5 rooms siya. Fern's Show Home. Ayan, so galing na tayo sa garage, fam. So pagpasok mo, after the closet ay ito, dito muna tayo sa entrance. Wow, laki ng entrance niya, love. And may mirror ulit. Ayan, so ito, quick pan tayo dito sa entrance niya na malaki. Black and white naman. So again, Ferns to, 2,300. It's around 900 to siya, fam. Okay, so from the entrance, kaliwa agad, it's a bedroom. It could be an office or a bedroom, right, kuya?
Yeah.
So it can be for Mamala or Mamila and Dadilo, right? So they don't need to.
Daddy, close your eyes.
Okay, and then to the right, ay ang common toilet. Oh, full bath siya. Kasi nga may room, no? Ganda nung nung tiles niya, fam. Yung design nung bathroom. Ganda.
Spice kitchen.
And then, meron siyang spice kitchen. So ngayon, medyo na-appreciate ko na yung spice kitchen, fam. Kasi imagine, magluluto ka ng tuyo or bulad in Bisaya. Pwede mo dito siya lutuin para hindi kumalat. So yan, may spice kitchen na tagusan. Going to the main kitchen. At there you go, napakaganda. Open concept, may sound ulit, so bilisan lang natin. Dining, and this is the main living room. And gusto tayong lumabas ni Mommy para daw makita natin, fam. Ayan, so it's the same. Ito yung kanina, the Balina. Ito naman ay Fern, so maliit na lang na backyard. Pero dun sa mga, minsan kasi yung iba kasi, love, ayaw naman ng malaking backyard, di ba? Kasi may maintenance, may maintain mo yung grass, may maintain mo yung everything. So yung iba, nag-o-opt din na maliit lang yung backyard. So, gaganda ng mga bahay. Okay. And quick pan lang tayo dito, fam. So, napakagandang, crush ko tong white, love, na
Countertop.
countertops. Ganda. Ayan. Okay. So, let's go upstairs. Diretso na tayo. Okay, may malaking window dito.
Mas malaki.
It's really nice. Okay, so dito muna tayo sa left. And it looks like this would be the master's right away.
I think so.
Yeah, okay. This is the master's kasi nandito yung closet.
I think so.
Tapos, sliding door, kakaiba. Wow. Sliding door. At napakagandang tiles. Ang ganda. Dito. Hers and his. Okay, with private toilet. Quick pan tayo dito. I think ideal. Gusto na rin to ni Mommy. Tsaka ang ganda nung tiles na niya. Love, marble, At ito yung gusto ni Daddy. Standy shower. Not so big. Sakto lang yung room, fam. And quick pan tayo dito. And there you go. That's the TV. Console. Ayan. And again, galing kayo sa baba. Pag akyat, Diretso. Hi, kuya. Ay, laundry room. So, meron talaga siyang laundry room.
Daddy.
Or water.
Kuya.
There. He's in the masters. And napakagandang laundry room. Very convenient kasi ang dami niyang lagayan dito ng mga nakatupi.
Where's the master?
And the washer and dryer. And then going to the right. And dito ang living room. So, ganda. Okay, quick pan tayo. Dito. Alrighty. And then after that, dito, diretso lang. Meron tayong common toilet and bath. Kompleto. Like full size. There you go. So, artsy vibe ang theme ng bahay na to. Napakaganda. Yan si Kuya. And another common room dito, fam. For teenager naman to. Wow, this is really nice.
Daddy.
For a while, Kuya. For a while, Kuya. For a while. Nice room. For teenager to dito. Diba, Kuya? Is this your room? Is this your room? Ganda. Okay. Common room.
Daddy, but I want to make
First common room.
See?
Then the second common room naman is on the left. Wow. So, parang sweet na talaga to, fam. Di lang siya common room pala. Kasi may full bath siya. Wow. And quick pan tayo dito. So, parang masters na siya. Pero mas maliit lang ng konti. Meron tayong masters na may bath. Meron din tayong
Junior. Kind of.
junior masters dito. At meron ding isa pang room dito. Na common. Okay, this time, this is common. So, wala siyang ano. Pero ang advantage naman niya ay ang view. Ang ganda ng view niya, fam. Yan, view niya ay sa road. Okay, so dito yung mga kuya or grandma, grandpa, pwede din. Pero parang doon, love, no? Sa may toilet, no? Para comfy.
May sariling toilet.
Yeah. So, ganda.
Daming room.
Yeah.
Isa, dalawa,
Tatlo,
tatlo.
apat, lima. Sa baba pa.
Di ba? Oh.
So, 5 rooms. So, again, fam, 2,300 to. Close to 2,400 na nga. 5 rooms siya. And yung dalawang room, yung isa, masters, yung main masters, malaki yung bath and toilet. And then, meron siyang junior masters din na may bath and toilet. So, pang grandma and grandpa talaga yon. So, baba naman tayo ngayon, fam.
Basement.
Let's check out the basement. Sana, sana develop basement siya. Kasi para may kabuluhan yung punta natin sa baba. So, let's go. And it looks like hindi siya developed basement, fam. Pero sa ganitong kalaking bahay, ayan, meron na silang dedicated na separate entrance and exit. So, ide-develop mo to for your own customization. So, bahala ka for business ba? Or hindi. For daddy na naman. Yan. Ganda nung placement nung ano niya kasi nasa gilid. So, hindi siya nasa gitna. Yan, oh. 'Di ba? So, parang ito may utilize mo siya ng buo. Parang hindi siya magkakaroon ng maze. And on the left, meron pang malaking basement area din dito. So, there you go. If you could imagine, you could have one here, one room, second room, a kitchen ay nandoon, and then this could be the living room. So, pwede tong parentahan dun sa mga gusto ng ganong option. Again, fam, this is Ferns, 2,300, close to 2,400, and this is around 900, sabi ng real estate agent. So, again, I'll finish this video and let's see kung makakakita pa tayo dun ng ibang show home pa. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell button para sa next na mga show home natin. ma-notify kayo. And I'll see you hang loose.